Okay, today we're going flying, me and Ervin. We're going to go from Robbinsville, Trenton to Melville. So come along with us, enjoy the ride. Okay, so we're walking over to his airplane right now. And should have a clean airplane. Looks like the guy is gonna, you see him over here, scraping off the ice. Let's see. Hey Ervin, hope this is not our plane right here. I'm not going up in that one. Okay, so this is the plane we're going to take up to Melville. Three Alpha. Unplugging the preheat. All right. Okay, are we ready to go?
We're ready to go, man.
All right, let's do it. Let's do it.
Good morning, Chronos 912, 1700 for 2000, turning direct coil.
Chronos 912, McCarter departure right at.
You don't want to bust that airspace though. Definitely that way more. Maybe like 10 o'clock position.
For 33 Alpha, maintain at or above 3,500 and outside of the Philadelphia class Bravo.
At or above 3,500 and we'll stay clear of the class Bravo. 33 Alpha.
Thank you.
I'm doing 132 knots. Nice. Ground speed.
Right.
It's gone up to 4,500, right?
Yeah, 4,500. Yeah, you know what? I saw it earlier when it was like acting weird. I'm like, maybe it'll come back, but I guess
Well,
you see why this is come pretty handy over here too.
yeah, true.
Hey, McGuire, good morning. Executive 777 5000.
Executive 777 McGuire approach to McGuire altimeter 3008, traffic 12 o'clock in about 4 miles. Opposite direction is I believe it's Challenger at 6,000.
Okay, yeah, we're looking for the other Challenger, Executive 777.
City is 4,100, so we're above that.
Cedar Lake, VOR.
We did. Now, let's get something to eat. I'm hungry. How about you? You hungry?
Yeah, I'm hungry. Yeah. Let's go grab a bite.
All right. Let's get something to eat. That was a smooth flight.
It was, yeah.
It was. Yeah. Let's see what hell we are. Let's see how this all goes. This is mine right there. Let's see. And no ice on the plane, that's good. Alrighty, we are back in the plane, ready to head out to Robbinsville, Trenton, back home. Ervin's gonna fly us back home, PIC.
Yeah, that's right.
That's right.
Melville traffic, give us Cessna 3 miles to the northeast, Melville.
Melville traffic, Skyhawk lining up to 8. Melville.
Yep. 28.
Pressure's on, all pressure on the green. It's coming alive. How much time start turning north?
Yep. Looks like 052.
Track, okay, very good.
Traffic, helicopter 721 Romeo Pop is 3 miles to the northeast, inbound for landing, and fuel at the FBO, Melville.
So you got your pick, 35 or 55?
What?
Altitude to go back.
Let's do 55.
Okay.
And Melville traffic, Piper Warrior is departing the airfield to the north. Melville traffic.
Atlantic City approach, Piper 4333 Alpha.
Piper 433 Alpha, Atlantic City approach, squawk 0123, ident.
0123, ident.
Okay, 0130 for 36 Whiskey, and there's your flash.
Flash.
Piper 33 Alpha, radar contact 5 miles northeast Melville Airport, altitude 1,900, Atlantic City, altimeter 3007, say request.
Position checks, and we'd like flight following at 5,500 to Trenton, Robbinsville.
North 33 Alpha, roger.
All right, we're coming up on 3,000. 5,500.
Yep.
North 36 Whiskey, traffic 1 o'clock. Alpha, just want to confirm your call sign.
33 Alpha, is that?
33 Alpha, say again.
And Piper 33 Alpha, just want to confirm your call sign. Are you number 4333 Alpha or 4433 Alpha?
4333.
4333 Alpha.
Roger.
Yeah. All right, we're back in Robbinsville. Well, that was our flight. Hope you enjoyed it. If you like what you see, please subscribe. And if you have any comments, please leave it down below in the comment section. And we'll see you again in the air. Bye.